everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a thrift haul for you. So I'm going to be starting a new series that's going to last a whole week, and then we'll see how it goes after that. I'm going to do 7 days of thrift hauls. So I have a lot of videos that I've previously recorded that I just have not gotten up on my channel. My life has been really crazy. The last 7 months have been really crazy for me, and I'll eventually probably talk about that in my channel, but we'll see. And so I have not been uploading on YouTube very frequently. It's been very sporadic, and I have a lot of videos that I just had problems with my computer too, so I had issues with that, but I have a lot of videos that I want to put out for you guys. But I thought it would be fun to do like 7 days of thrift hauls. So that's what we're going to do. So it's going to be number 1. And then if you are not subscribed, you can subscribe so you'll see when those videos come out daily. If you're interested in learning about reselling, what people are picking up for reselling, and I'll kind of try to give you an idea in this haul what I think I'll probably list something for, or what I'm willing to take for it. I spent $53. It was $52.75, but I rounded up to $53 at a local thrift store here not too far from me, and I stopped there quick. I actually only got 4 hours of sleep last night, so since I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, I was really tired, but I was like, okay, I'm done. I had spent some time with my family, and on my way home I'm like, well, I really should stop there. I haven't been there in a long time, and they have all school stuff out now, like new clothes and stuff. So I stopped, and I'm so glad I did, because I found some really good stuff. Someone obviously had recently donated some decent brands, which was cool. I found brands that I rarely find there, and normally I find a lot of vintage and stuff like that, like Y2K type stuff, but this time I found some name brands. So we'll just get right into it. Some brands I took a chance on. This is super cute. It's like a Sherpa, almost like a moto jacket. I paid $3 for it, and this thrift store just staples the price on, so this is $3. This is by Lori Felt. Now I looked this up on eBay. I don't think I looked up sold. I looked up like ones that are listed. Someone had the one listed for $50. I thought, well, $3, even if I sell it for $25, I'd be super happy. But honestly, this is so adorable. If I like the way it looks on me and fits, I'll probably just keep it for myself, because it's so cute. It's Sherpa. It's so cute. So I don't know if I'll get $50 for it, but I'll probably, if I don't love the way it looks on me, I'll probably list it kind of high, because it's super adorable. This was $5, which was a little high for me, but it is a really great size. Polo Ralph Lauren. This is obviously a more vintage. This is also like a Sherpa hoodie zip up. It's very substantial. It's red. You can see there. It's a very substantial piece on the back. It also has that, and it's great for this season. I really think I can sell that for at least $30 or more. This is the wrong bag. I have a lot of clothes around me. I've been basically trying to do eBay and Poshmark. Sorry, I was cold when I woke up from my nap, and my collar is crazy, but I have been trying to make more of a full-time income with eBay more recently. So I'm trying to pick up a lot of inventory. I'm going to Bin Store, and it's been going really good. I've been doing a lot better. I probably almost doubled my income in the last month, of my reselling income in the last month, because I spent so much more time on it. These are a pair of Y2K Exhilaration jeans. Okay, what's funny, okay, they're a size 3, they say that. They were $6, which is a lot, but they're new attack jeans, and they're like dead stock Y2K. In the back, no pockets, and I thought, well, that would be really fun, because there's no pockets, and these were so in style, like early 2000s, I would say, like early 2000s. So I definitely think these will sell. I might model them. They're a button fly. They're obviously a low rise jean as well. I would say this rise can't be more than maybe 7 inches. I don't know, 6. But because they're new with tags, I thought that was great. Yeah, 2001. Legit Y2K. Legit. Okay, so I would say at least 30. I can sell those for 30. Okay, I found 3 Logo Lounge by Lori Goldstein. I don't pick up everything by her. They're all size small, but I might lot them together. We'll see. This is just a hoodie. I mean, it's not like I'm like woohoo, but it was $275 for that one. This is a green one, which I saw first. This was $250. Their Logo Lounge, and some of her lounge stuff does go for better prices. Usually the bigger sizes. I'm not impressed with the size really. I have one more in here too. Where is it? Right. I'm not impressed with the size, but I'm willing to take a chance for $2.50. This one, and those 2 are lounge. This one's just logo. And this is more like I don't know, what would you call this? Waffle knit, rib knit, I don't know. And this is kind of like an open front. It's tied. And honestly, if I like the way this looks on me, I might keep it because it's kind of like more like a hooded cardigan. Okay. This brand is from Stitch Fix. I think I need to tie it. This brand is something I have found does sell decently quick. At least it did for me. I found it a couple times, and the last time it was a new with tags, and it sold pretty quickly. It is, let me take this off. It is the brand, sorry, I thought I might hold, West Key. It is Stitch Fix. It's just a blouse, and I think it either ties in the front or the back. You probably could tie it either way. I also found a couple new with tags Stitch Fix pieces. I don't know if I got them all, but I don't think I did. This one's also a Stitch Fix. This is brand new with tags. I found Stitch Fix there multiple times, brand new with tags. So somebody must purchase from them and then they never end up wearing them. I don't know why. This is the Asa Ponte Blazer, and I got it. I wouldn't have picked this up, probably, the skies are blue, if it wasn't new with the tag. Because I don't find that this brand sells real quick, in my opinion. It hasn't really sold very quick for me. But because it had the tags, I can probably look this up and maybe even find a stock photo, maybe. So, and it's a size large, and I think that's a good size. This is going to be a project sweatshirt. It is like a winter, has a cute little winter pattern. My plan for this it's yellow, it's a size large. Oh, or extra large, so it's a great size. My plan for this is I'm going to semi-crop it, probably, and I'm going to put bleach to it, and I'm going to do some type of bleaching thing to it, just to see how it turns out. I like bleaching sweatshirts and different things and dip dyeing them and that kind of stuff, so I think I'm going to try that with that. This is a nice sweater. I don't pick up a lot of Calvin Klein, just because it doesn't sell real great for me usually, but we're going into that season. It's a really nice black sweater, and it's got this tie here, and I thought it was nice, and I think I probably could find, and it even says Calvin Klein like on the little rivets. I think I can probably find a stock photo for that, so I picked this up for myself. It's acrylic, but it feels like kind of like cashmere. It's just Studio Works. I paid $2 for it, so I like animal print. I know animal print's back in, so I probably could sell it. And it's got that on the bottom. I don't really like that, but I would maybe wear it tucked in. I just thought it was like a really classy, cute piece. I don't know. I'm going to try it for myself. Okay, some of the brands I found, I was kind of shocked because these are not brands I ever find at this particular thrift store. This thrift store is located in a small town. What's the best thing I've found there? I don't even know. I don't find really great brands there. Usually I'll find more vintage type stuff. I think the best thing that maybe I found was I found a long Coach purple winter coat last year, and I think I sold it for like $60 or $70. So I sold it for a decent price, decent amount. But generally, I don't find real great brands there. These are a pair of We the Free People pants. The reason I got these, actually, I think the pattern is not cool. I don't think pattern jeans don't sell well for me. But what I liked about them is how they were distressed on the bottom. I don't know if they're made like that. I probably would be able to find a stock photo for these, which is awesome. And they're okay. They're kind of cool. If they were my size, I would maybe try them. I'm gaining a little bit. They're size 28, so they're a little bit, I think they'll be a little big for me, but maybe I'll try them. So, okay, I have a couple of pretty cool things at the end here, but I did pick these up. These are a pair of American Eagle jeans. They are the American Eagle Next Level Stretch Super High Rise Jegging, and they're a size 8, which is, I like these jeans. They're really cute. I think they're gonna be too big for me. Otherwise, maybe I would keep them. But the style is just adorable. Look at that is adorable. I bet I can find a stock photo for these for Poshmark. They are in excellent condition. I think a lot of the things that I picked up were probably from the same person because it's kind of the same style. Okay, the next two items are more higher end, I would say, than even like Free People. Maybe it's kind of closer to Free People, but this I saw. It was kind of hanging like this, okay? I saw this and I thought, that looks like a nice bag. It's not in perfect condition. I thought, oh, that looks like, and this reminds me of Lily Pulitzer. So then I started to look at it and I noticed that this says Lily Pulitzer. So I'm like, it says like Lily Pulitzer down here. I'm like, oh, Lily Pulitzer? $2. The only issue here is there looks like to be a little bit of an issue here. I'm gonna see if I can get that off. The inside, it looks like someone had this at a rummage sale for $10. I would have maybe paid $10 for it. Maybe for myself. This bag looks like online, and this is nice inside. I mean, this is a nice bag, and it's a large bag. I could easily put my computer in it. It's beautiful for the summertime, which I know we're getting out of the summertime. I wish I would have put that in there. I don't know how I'm going to get that out. Why, people? Why? Shouldn't be doing this right now. And now it's sticking out to get off pliers or something. Okay. This bag retails for like $199, I think. That's what I came up with. Overall, some really great condition. You know, there's some flaws, but I really think I can probably sell this for, I don't know, I'll have to look. I might list it on the Facebook Marketplace that it sells, that has Lily Pulitzer. I just sold a pair of Jack Rogers sandals on there for $35. And that would probably sell for a decent amount. So I might try putting it on there first before I list it. Okay, this was the jackpot. The jackpot. And I do believe it's real just because of all the other brands. I really believe this is real. It looks real to me and it feels real. Which I've found this brand before. I know that they do fake these, but I'm pretty sure it's real. And I would know if I wore it just for the winter time, but I can't get that off. Okay, so I'm looking through the coats. Looking. And all of a sudden, what do I find? Patagonia. This is a medium women's Patagonia. I believe this is the Nano Puffer or something like that. I have to look it up for sure. It's a women's size medium. Honestly, if it was a women's size small, I'd probably keep it, but it's a medium. It looks like it might be a little too wide for me. I don't know how much these go for resale, but I would say generally Patagonia you can get probably between 80 to 100. Whoop, sorry. that bag fell over. 80 to 150. It's a great season for it. Now, I do think this had a couple flaws. Honestly, guys, this doesn't hardly look like it was worn, but I think I saw a flaw. Yeah, I saw a flaw on the sleeve. So there's some type of black mark. That is on the outside. So it's the part where you don't really even see, and it's only like the inner arm where you don't even really see. So it's funny, but people are more like, if they can't see it themselves when they're watching or when they're wearing it, then it doesn't bother them as much. So I will put that in the listing. I would say that's really the only flaw. It looks like there's a little mark maybe on the back here, but I think I can get that out. I think it's just the surface. So yeah, that is so awesome. I'm so glad I stopped. I never find these brands at this particular thrift store. So I was really excited, and I'm really excited to get them all listed. And yeah, so thanks guys for joining for this video. Video number 1 for 7 days of hauls. Please subscribe and like if you want to see more content like this and you want to see my other hauls coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you later. Please don't forget to comment in the comment section because that really helps too. If you have any questions, if you're interested in any of these items, you can check out my Poshmark closet. That's also linked. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.